Hi, I'm Norb Novison. Today we're going to go over how to tell a handmade rug compared to a machine rug. Okay, this is a beautiful Mallier Persian runner rug. It's a great shape, it's all wool, it's nice antique. But if you take a look at the back of this, you can see the various lines that are going across. This is where they were knotted. Okay, on a machine rug, these are perfectly straight. But when you see a handmade one like this, there's just little discrepancies here and there, and they move up and they waver. That's a sign of somebody doing this all by hand. This was really a work of love, and it took a long time to do. It's a beautiful rug, and that's one of the quick ways you're going to be able to tell a handmade rug compared to a machine rug next time you find that great Persian rug you want to buy.